ng bigay, nagpunta at nagtulong. Tita Kelly, thank you. Bye! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3, sing! 1, 2, 3, happy birthday, Chloe! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Chloe!
Long, long! Hindi ko tuturo. Hindi ko tuturo si Chloe. Hindi ko makain. 1, 2, 3, walking!
Go sa akin.
Wait lang, mahina mo na kumain.
Sure, bawal tayo sa chicken, sir.
Sige, pa. Sige na, ibibidyo kita. Naubos niya, nanonood daw ng vlog. Wala ka, hindi ka makikita. Hi. Si Princess, konti na lang, Princess. Haliki. Ayun, naubos. Masarap.
Sarap daw, Piper.
Dad is watching me. Hi, Princess. Ayaw.
Oh, no, no.
Kakain ng spaghetti. Hindi ka kakain yan. Madali ka na ka. Dali naman kayo. Hindi ka malabas pa. Wow, ano sasabihin mo?
Ano, 500 yan, Pai?
Ano sasabihin mo?
Ilan yan?
Hi.
Ilan yan? Binibilang mo ilan yan?
Yosh, Yosh? Ano yun?
Yan.
Bakit Yosh, Yosh?
Ito.
Mm.
Go.
Happy birthday, Chloe!
Sige, tapos na yan.
Sige, yan, kain kayo. Hi. Kain ka. Chloe, man. Malala ka. Sige pa yan, isa lang naman. Alright, mga na kayo, kain na. Chloe, mag-blow na ka bang cake? O tala. Happy birthday to you. O tala yung amin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Chloe!
Mananong ka na.
Dahil ka mag-drive. Kanyaman. Partner ka kape.
Wow, kanyaman na. Alala, ching. Alala. Bailio. My name is Miss Rachel. Wow. Bravo.
Meto ka. Take two.
Habang nete!
66.
Trabaho, kami naglalawin tayo, natin niya pang...
Ako doon yan tayo maglalakyan. Lagay ito.
Masama?
Damo po ba? Nakamit ang bra. Boring kikit.
Ah, mami, ano na? Yan. O, pasok na mga bata. Pasok, pasok, Chloe. Lalabas yan. Bawal, bawal. Ano nga, Aldayo, busy lang ano, basketball. Go! Yun ang lalabas.
Hoy, sabi daw 300,000. Kanyang bot. Tapos ka na pa ng Boracay.
Ay, galang. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you po sa lahat ng bigay, nagpunta, at nagtulong. Tita Kelly, thank you. Bye.
We only get like Dolores-centered type of events.
Gusto ko
But
to.
if we bring in Timmy, what we know about
Ito yung cinnamon blind box.
the reason why I would want
So,
to
ito yung gusto ko. Ito pati ito.
we will also get today's one. But the downside of that is that we are going to use extra soup and extra water for somebody else. As we were considering alternatives to the canned soup diet, a sudden knock at the door broke our line of thought. It turned out we were visited by cancer survivors who were in pretty bad shape. All they wanted was to get something to drink, a bite to eat, or at least clean bandages and medicine to attend to their wounded. Okay, so we have 5 canned soup, water, what it is easier to get some soup, especially when you get those scenarios where you can rob other people. You usually get soup. But I wanted to help them out because I believe in karma in this game. I really do. I feel like it's right. So Mary came back. I want to go back. Okay, bro. Okay.